Now we come on the important sector, cost structure. It describes all costs incurred to operate a business model. Creating and delivering value, maintaining customer relationships, and generating revenue all incur costs. Such costs can be easily calculated after defining key resources, key activities, and key partnerships. The main things to ask: what are the most important costs inherent in our business model? Which key resources are most expensive? Which key activities are most expensive? So businesses are broadly differentiated between cost driven and value driven. Cost driven business models focus on minimizing cost wherever possible. This approach aims at creating and maintaining the leanest possible cost structure using low price value proposition, maximum automation, and extensive outsourcing. Value proposition was brain, customers were heart of business model. Revenue stream is the arteries. Business models can have two different types of revenue stream: transaction revenues resulting from one-time customer payment, or a recurring revenue resulting from ongoing payment to either deliver a value proposition to customers or provide post-purchase customer support. In this block, we need to answer for what value are our customers really willing to pay, for what do they are currently paying, how they are currently paying, and how much does each revenue stream contribute to overall revenue. So we have seen all these 9 things, which translates into a business model, and we call this as a business model canvas. So whenever you start a new company or you want to understand a business model of a company, you can define these 9 things.